How to delete conversation history in Claude AI on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove past chats from the app. First, open the Claude app on your Android device. From there, tap the menu icon at the top left of the screen to open the sidebar. At this point, you'll see all your past conversations listed there. Following this, to delete a single conversation, long press on the chat you want to remove. After that, tap Delete from the options that appear and confirm to remove it. From here, if you want to delete multiple conversations, you can go through and repeat the same steps for each one you want to clear out. Finally, if you want to wipe everything at once, tap the three dots or the edit icon at the top of the sidebar and look for the chat option to delete all conversations. Tap the select button at top right, then select all the conversations you want to delete. After that, tap the trash icon, then confirm to clear your entire chat history. Keep in mind that deleted conversations cannot be recovered, so make sure you don't need anything from a chat before removing it. That's how you delete conversation history in Claude AI on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.